What's going on, y'all? So today it's January 18th, 2022, and I'm basically about to go over today's trade. It's basically a trade breakdown on US30, and I'm basically just about to go into how I got into the move and what I saw that gave me the confirmations. Basically, for the move, excuse the feedback, that was my chair, but yeah, I basically just want to go into detail on how I got into this entry and what I look for, and just basically breaking that down. So first off, I start on the 4 hour. The 4 hour time frame, it basically just showed me my overall trend. You feel me? Where basically major structure is and all that like that. So basically I'm looking for the lower highs and lower lows on the 4 hour. Looking for the higher time frame, lower highs and lower lows, because I'm riding that trend. Those lower highs, lower lows, higher highs. That's that 4 hour trend that I'm riding, and I basically dissect that and break it down. So from the 4H, I basically seen that before 6 open at 2 o'clock open candle, it basically was a bearish pin bar or hammer or doji or whatever you want to call it. And basically once I seen that, I kind of knew that the market was going to aim to the downside. So from there, go down to the 1H. So I went to the 1H and I'm like, okay, cool. So this is the previous lower high of yesterday. This lower high got broken today. It broke it. Once it broke it, it came back up and engulfed, and it gave us like this evening star type pattern, right? Gave us this evening star type pattern. Once it gave us that pattern, I'm like, okay, I know I'm about to be looking for sales today, right? So break a structure is confirmation. This formation is a confirmation, right? And the market being on a downtrend. This is like the continuation of this downtrend. So that was like, it was like multiple confirmations telling me like today I'm about to sell. So after the 1H, I went to the 15 minute. I'm like, okay, once the market breaks this low right here, it's going to be an entry. But I thought it was going to break it around 6:30. It didn't. It pushed down this way. So once the 6:30 candle opened up, I basically just waited for it to push down and show me that it's going to break this previous low. Once it did that, hey, I was in the game. It was over after that. I executed the hell out the market. Let's go to 1 minute real quick and look deeper into that. All I seen was the market come down to right here. I'm like, yeah, let me bounce in this right now. Bounced in it, you feel me? And it just started collapsing. Then this candle opened, and I started seeing it push up, and I was trying to basically just trail my stop loss, because usually at a certain amount, I like to trail my stop loss. So it came down and it started rejecting back up. So I'm like, damn, I'm trying to set my stop loss. It wasn't setting. So I end up hopping out. But then once this candle started rejecting back down, I hopped back in and I just rode the rest of the wave. So yeah, it was pretty easy today. It wasn't really too much effort today, So yeah, that's basically the breakdown on US30. That's how I got into it. So yeah, peace.